This video provides an overview of Topic 3 of the RE5 exam program. The title of Topic 3 is Define the role of the key individual in terms of the FAIS Act. Definition of a key individual. According to FAIS, the key individual is a natural person, alone or together with another key individual, responsible for managing and overseeing the activities of the FSP and its representatives when rendering financial services to clients. The meaning of the key words in the definition is further provided below. Natural person means a human being, as opposed to a legal entity. Alone or together means that if one key individual does not fully meet all competence requirements for the subcategories, the business can have more than one key individual who together meet the requirements. Manager or oversee means to have executive control or authority and/or officially supervise. Financial services activities means advice and/or intermediary services as defined by the FAIS Act. The key individual is responsible for ensuring that the FSP complies with the FAIS Act. Every authorized FSP, even if it is a one-person business, must have someone fulfilling the role of the key individual. In the case of the sole proprietor, the person will be the FSP as well as act in the role of key individual. Requirements for approval. The FSP applies to the Commissioner for approval of a key individual. In order for a key individual to be approved, a completed application form must be submitted with relevant documentation to the Commissioner. The applicant means the FSP applying for approval of the person to be appointed as a key individual. The onus is on the applicant, when it is a partnership, a trust or a corporate or unincorporated body, to satisfy the Commissioner that a key individual meets the fit and proper requirements in respect of honesty, integrity and good standing, as well as competence and operational abilities. If the applicant's qualification is not on the recognized qualification list, and the applicant thinks the qualification is indeed relevant and applicable to the role, application for recognition, to the Commissioner in the prescribed manner, of the qualification must be made prior to submitting the application form. Application and approval of a key individual by the Commissioner. Key individual and sole proprietors, FSP, which is a natural person, must complete a specific application form, Form FSP-4. The following information is a summary of what is required in completing the application form. Role. A description of what best describes the person's role in the organization. Fit and proper requirements. Information relating to honesty, integrity and good standing must be provided, as well as details about qualifications, experience and employment history. Detailed CV must be attached, indicating the experience that the applicant has gained within the last 5 years. Full details of the person's responsibilities must be provided to illustrate that the person's experience is relevant to the category of financial services and subcategories of financial products being offered or rendered. Reference letter from previous employers must be submitted. Operational ability. The key individual and sole proprietor must have the operational ability to fulfill the responsibilities imposed on the licensee and its key individual by the Act. General. If the applicant is both the key individual and a representative, a separate form, Form FSP-5, must be completed. The applicant needs to sign an indemnity, authorizing the FSCA to verify all information. Information required for approval. Management and oversight responsibilities of a key individual. Management responsibilities. The key individual has the responsibility of management and oversight of the FSP that performs the activities relating to the rendering of financial services, which includes the provision of advice and intermediary services in respect of such a license. The key individual must have the required experience in management before the Commissioner will approve the appointment. The experience must include practical experience in the management or oversight of the services similar to or corresponding to the financial services rendered by the FSP. The key individual is responsible, among other things, for the representatives, as well as the overall business management of the FSP. Accountability. Key individuals are accountable for activities of the FSP and representatives. Although key individuals are appointed by the FSP, in order to act in the capacity of a key individual, approval must first be obtained from the FSCA. A key individual must meet the fit and proper requirements of honesty, integrity and good standing, management and financial product experience, a recognized qualification, regulatory exams and in due course, continuous professional development. Key individuals, however, should carefully consider what is expected of them before accepting the appointment as a key individual, as they will be held accountable for the activities and actions of both the business and the representatives who have been authorized to act on behalf of the FSP. All financial services business must be conducted in the name of the FSP in terms of Section 13(1)(c) of the FAIS Act, and it is the key individuals who are the natural persons responsible for the oversight of all such business activities.